Could you hear the piano part out there?